What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be showing you a full review of the RedGear A15 mouse. And yes, I have used this mouse for about 7+ months now, because I bought it on August 2020 for about 400 rupees, and I would say that was an amazing deal because I bought it on the launch day itself. And today this mouse is like priced at 499 rupees, and even that, like under 500 rupees for this mouse. I would say this is a really amazing value for money. I'll talk about why. In my personal opinion, yes, I have used the normal mouses so far, like the Logitech B100 and stuff. Like those are very basic mouse, just costs about like 300 rupees or even less than that. So those mouses used to break down in like 6 months, and then I have to buy another one again. And of course the RedGear A15 had RGB. That's one of the most amazing reason to go for it, of course. But yeah, this is a gaming mouse that I bought, and I would say for this price, again, if you consider the price, this is a really amazing gaming mouse. And still I would say the clicks and stuff are totally working fine, no issues so far, and the customizable buttons are working fine. But when I bought the mouse, it did not come with a braided cable, and as you can see, it does not have a braided cable on my unit because my unit is like the very early unit, so it did not have the braided cable. But right now if you order the mouse, you will get the braided cable and stuff. That's even more better value. And talking about the driver or the software, it used to have some bugs, like it did not connect for some people, or even for me it took about like 15 to 20 seconds or even more than that sometimes to actually work with the mouse. Like whenever I'm turning on my PC, if I open the mouse software, I know my 20 seconds are gone and I have to get like stuck on that loading kind of screen. But right now that's not the issue with the latest driver. Let me show you the latest driver and how can you install it. So a lot of people actually are complaining about the software of the RedGear A15, and here I'm gonna show you today that with the upgraded software, it's a lot easier to control the mouse. So let me show you what to search or where to get the software. So I'm gonna just search the RedGear A15 driver over here. This is just a Google search, as you can see, and here it shows this redwoodinteractive.net kind of link, and it shows this drivers for this Redwood Interactive and A15 and stuff. So we are gonna go to this website particularly, and here if you scroll down, you will see with the like mouse over here, this is the mouse. So I'm gonna click on download driver, and as you can see it shows version 2.0. so the earlier video I made, that was version 1.0, and the software wasn't that good, but right now I would say it's a lot better. So you just click on this download option, and as you can see it opens this Google Drive kind of link, and you just click on download anyway. So right now as you can see it's downloading, so let's give it some time. And we are gonna click on the folder over here. I'm just using the Opera browser, so it should be there in your download folder. So right now as you can see, this is the file itself, and this is a RAR file, I guess, as you are noticing. Yeah, this is a RAR file. So you just extract it, of course, with WinRAR if you have installed it, of course. And right now this is the software, as you are noticing. Now you just double click on this RedGear A15 exe file, and here we have some installation steps. And if you see this installation steps, it will show uninstall older version and stuff, because the older version may cause some problems. So you have to uninstall or delete the older version from your storage if you have it downloaded, or if you don't have it downloaded, you should not worry about it. Now if you just open the RedGear software, this is how it looks like, and it loads very quickly, I would say. And right now it is a lot easier to access this software, and it is a lot faster. As you can see, you can set custom buttons, like these side buttons are 4 and 5, and you can see all the numbers on the buttons, so you can customize these buttons. And by assigning these keys, as you can see, there is the standard mouse keys. You can set it to left click, right click, or like any other normal stuff. Then we have special keys, so you can set per like key to the DPI, fire key, aim, etc. And then we have the media options. Then we have web options, then others are there, like it will open my computer or calculator or just go to your desktop. Then we have the user defined, of course, and we have the basic macro, then we have the fire macro. Now there are two modes, like the office mode and the game mode, but I'll show you in the office mode. Let me show you how can you customize it. So from here you set to like user defined, and from here whatever action you want to do you can set. Like you can click on this control, and then if you hit L, so as you can see right now it shows Control plus L. So if you confirm that, the number 4 button will be assembled to this kind of action. So whenever you press that button, it will act like Control L if you confirm this. So that's how you can use it, or you can like customize the mouse even more. Like you can go to the advanced settings and do all those stuff like moving speed, then double click speed, rolling speed, and then the DPI customization you can set from here. Like you can change the DPI from this like scrolling kind of feature over here, as you are noticing. So yeah, you can definitely change it however you like. So these are very cool option, and it will show the colors over here, and these colors just means like whatever DPI you have changed or set, the mouse will glow in that color whenever you are changing DPI. And then there is a light option, so you can change the light mode to all those options. Yes, the software is pretty similar to the previous version, but I would say it's a lot better and it's a lot more optimized than the previous version in my opinion. So if you guys have been getting problems while like using the software of the RedGear A15, this is how you can use this software. You can also set some macros and stuff. I don't know how you can use it, but yeah, there are the macro option if you want to use them. So again, I would say this mouse is a really amazing value for money. Even while gaming or productivity stuff, you can set a lot of things. You can customize a lot of things about this mouse on a PC or your laptop. This is a basic USB mouse that has the gaming customizable buttons, or you can consider it as a gaming mouse because it has the DPI customization and stuff. A lot of things are really amazing over here on this mouse. So that's what I like. And I would say you can still go for this mouse and it is still working fine even after 7 months of my editing or gaming usage. So I am not a light PC user. I use my PC really heavily, but still this mouse is like working super fine, no issues whatsoever. Please use the affiliate link in the description box below. That helps my channel. Also, you don't have to pay anything extra. You can get the best deal out there, and you can check out the description box below, of course, for the link, and you can buy it from there. In my opinion, this is the best kind of mouse that you can get under 500 bucks in my personal opinion, if you're looking for a gaming or productivity mouse. The size of the mouse in my personal opinion is a little bit big if you compare to the other like normal mouse, but yeah, this mouse takes like 1 or 2 weeks to get used to, but once you get used to it, you are gonna be totally fine with it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today. I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.